Hi everyone, this is Manish from IndusHindi.com, and in previous video we have learned about the short vowel and today we are going to learn about a long vowel So let's begin. Welcome to our lesson on long vowel Today we will explore its pronunciation, writing and how to use it in a word. Represents a long vowel sound. You can pronounce it as in English word like last, palm, art, father, etc. To pronounce it correctly, remember, open your mouth wider and hold for a longer duration like Now let's learn how to write sound. You can write it by placing a vertical line just beside a short right? And it becomes In Hindi, all vowels except short they have two forms. One is full form like which is used as a beginning of the word or following another vowels, and another form is abbreviated form or matra form. It's a diacritic, right? Diacritic of vowels. The diacritic form used after consonants. The shorter representation or the diacritic of vowel is just a vertical line just attached after a consonant. We are going to write a word which means come. Imperative form of ana, to come, is come. You have to write like vowel sound that's all, which means come. That's simple, right? We have just learned very first word which is come, and keep in mind you just remember it and things are getting more interesting from here. Wow, we have covered our very first two vowel sound. One is short and second one is today in this video long One more thing to note, like in Hindi, most Hindi vowels come with their independent form only in the beginning of words, right? And here are one more interesting fact about the long vowel So can be considered as a masculine vowel because most of nouns and adjectives ending with are masculine. So that's all for today's video, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and learning. Goodbye.